I'll be presenting on the effectiveness of medial arch support for PES planus in cricketers.
So not...
PES planus is falling of the medial longitudinal arch, eversion of the hind foot, and abduction of loaded forefoot. The symptoms of PES planus include plantar fascia pain, Achilles tendinitis, ligamentous instability, pain under weight bearing, and rapid fatigability. Cricketers, like many athletes, rely heavily on the lower extremities for performance, making foot conditions such as PES planus a significant concern. During walking, interactive forces are transferred between the human body and the ground. Measurement of these ground reaction forces in a unit of foot area can be used to assess the external load to which the human body is subjected in different situations. This can be measured as plantar pressure. Plantar pressure is useful in diagnosing lower limb problems, designing footwear, sports biomechanics, injury prevention, and other applications. Usually the parameters of interest in evaluating plantar pressure are peak pressure, peak time integral, and mean peak pressure. The aim of the study was to determine the effect of custom-made orthotic insoles on plantar peak pressures in cricketers with PES planus. It's an interventional study conducted at Center for Sports Science, Sri Ramchandra Institute of Higher Education and Research. There were 20 male athletes were included in the study. We had division level cricketers who are clinically diagnosed as PES planus by physicians. Any cricketer with acute pain with VAS greater than 4, lower foot ulcers and lower limb musculoskeletal injuries for the past 3 months were excluded. After clinical assessment of clinical podiatry, 20 athletes were diagnosed with PES planus. They were found to have a low-lying arch. After they were diagnosed with PES planus, the static plantar pressure assessment was done, where the athlete stands on the plantar pressure plate for 30 seconds. This is connected to the computer, which records the plantar pressure profile. After the static pressure is assessed, we do a in-shoe dynamic pressure assessment. The insoles are placed inside the athlete's shoe. It's secured to the ankle and connected to the modem, which is secured at the hip. So the athlete runs on a treadmill, and we assess the gait as well as the plantar pressure dynamically. After the plantar pressure, peak plantar pressure was measured, the athlete foot impression was taken to make the custom insole. A foam box was used. The foam box was placed inside a 3D scanner, and computer-aided designing software was used to design the custom orthotic insole. This insole was worn by the athlete for 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, the peak plantar pressures were measured again. As you can see, the peak pressures were 48.59, and after 6 weeks of wearing the insole, the mean post max pressure was 23.165, and there was an average reduction of about 25 Newton per centimeter square. Discussion in athletes with PES planus, foot pronation is abnormal or excessive while walking, leading to increased fatigue in the lower extremities. In this study, custom-made orthotic insoles with required corrections had a significant effect of decreasing the peak pressures on plantar surface. Using the insole could help reduce the peak plantar pressure compared to exercises which might take a longer time to show the results. In conclusion, the custom designed orthotic insoles in the study had significant influence on reducing the peak pressures of plantar region in 50% of the athletes. Thank you.